Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to upload a PDF document to Google Docs. Open up your browser and go to google.com, or if you have Google set as your homepage, you will see once you open your browser that it's going to take you right to Google. Now, click the apps on the upper right hand side, and from here, just simply select Drive. Once you're on Google Drive, you can choose where you want to upload a file. I'm going to just simply click on my drive right here, and I'm going to open up this test folder right here to use this test folder. And I'm going to go ahead and open up my file explorer right here, and I'm going to find that PDF document that I wish to use. Now, here's a PDF document that I wish to use. Now, I'm going to drag this PDF document into my Google Drive folder, and it's going to start to upload. As you can see right now, the document is open, is uploaded, and in my case, it is telling me about a storage issue, but don't worry about that. I can just simply click away and let it be. Now from here, you can click on the document in the lower right hand side, and you will see at the top here, it says open with Google Docs. Click on that, and it's going to open up that PDF document within Google Docs. As you can see, it's currently loading, but all you have to do is just be patient, and it's going to open up that PDF in Google Docs. And here it is, guys. It is a fully working PDF document that is open within Google Docs, and you can edit it, you can do whatever it is, you can just work with it like you wish, and that's pretty much all there is to it, guys.